Ever wondered how KFC burgers and nuggets go from the kitchen to your table? Inside every KFC kitchen, precision and timing turn simple ingredients into iconic meals. Every burger and nugget begins its journey at the preparation station. Fresh chicken arrives carefully portioned for nuggets and burgers. Each piece moves through a carefully organized preparation line. Seasoning begins the transformation into KFC's signature flavor. The batter creates the crispy texture KFC is known for. Next comes the most critical stage, perfect frying. In seconds, heat begins turning raw chicken into golden KFC nuggets. Under precise heat, battered chicken transforms into crispy nuggets. Timing is everything in achieving KFC's signature crunch. Freshly fried nuggets rest briefly before moving to the serving line. While nuggets stay warm, burger fillets begin their own preparation. Burger fillets receive the same careful coating for a crispy bite. Heat locks the seasoned crust around the chicken fillets. Meanwhile, burger buns toast to build the perfect sandwich base. Now the final transformation begins, turning ingredients into a finished KFC burger. Fresh toppings bring balance to the crispy chicken. Signature sauces add the familiar flavor customers expect. Perfectly fried fillets move straight to the assembly line. Each burger is assembled piece by piece. Simple toppings complete the classic KFC flavor. A finished burger moves one step closer to the customer. Golden nuggets are portioned fresh for every order. With preparation complete, the meal moves toward the serving counter. Prepared meals flow smoothly through the final service line. Each item is carefully packed to maintain freshness and presentation. Proper wrapping keeps the burger warm and ready for serving. Every order includes the sauces customers love.
The meal is now packed and ready for delivery to the counter.
Inside the busy kitchen, timing ensures every order stays fresh. The final step brings the meal from kitchen to customer. Moments after preparation, the food reaches the person it was made for. Within minutes, the meal leaves the kitchen and enters the dining area. The journey of preparation ends where the customer experience begins. Inside the bag waits the freshly prepared meal. The final reveal shows the crisp textures created in the kitchen. Golden nuggets pair with signature dipping sauces. Every bite delivers the flavor built throughout the preparation process. The finished burger reflects every step of careful preparation. From kitchen to customer, the process delivers a complete KFC meal. Every element of the meal reflects the system behind the kitchen. Crispy nuggets are designed for quick flavor and texture.
Each bite carries the signature seasoning and crunch.
The interior stays tender while the outside remains crisp. The burger combines fresh toppings with perfectly fried chicken. Every layer contributes to the final flavor experience. Behind this simple meal lies a precise kitchen workflow. From preparation to enjoyment, the journey of KFC food comes full circle. Even a simple meal reflects the precision of a fast-paced kitchen. Packaging keeps the food warm and organized for the customer. A complete meal pairs the food with a refreshing drink. The final touch completes the dining experience. From kitchen workflow to table service, every step connects seamlessly. The crispy fillet remains the heart of the meal. Every texture is the result of controlled cooking inside the kitchen. Behind every tray served is a system designed for speed and quality. The final bites bring the meal experience to a close. Even the smallest pieces carry the signature crunch. Sauces add the finishing flavor to the meal. Inside the crisp coating lies tender cooked chicken. The final moments of the meal show the journey complete. A final sip ends the dining experience. Once the meal is finished, the restaurant cycle continues. Even after the meal ends, the restaurant system keeps moving. After every meal, the restaurant cycle prepares for the next customer. Cleaning and organization keep the restaurant running smoothly. Used packaging is separated quickly for proper disposal. Once cleared, trays move back into the cleaning system. Staff quickly return trays to the kitchen for cleaning. Behind the scenes, the kitchen prepares equipment for the next order. Cleanliness is essential to every fast-moving kitchen. The cycle resets, ready to serve the next customer. Clean equipment moves quickly back into service. The system continues, preparing meals for the next guests. Speed, coordination, and consistency keep the kitchen moving. From preparation to service, every step connects inside the restaurant. Hundreds of meals follow this same journey every day. From fresh preparation to final service, every step matters. And this is how modern kitchens prepare KFC burgers and nuggets from start to finish.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real factory videos.